This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sherry Rago. New. Almost everything new inside this beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath first floor, corner unit. All assessments paid. Low HOA fees. Rebuilt interior and all new furnishings in 2024 featuring soft neutral, flowing colors of the sea, a spacious custom kitchen with sparkling granite counters and beautiful tricolored glass tile backsplash, all bespoke series appliances with interchangeable color panels, dual icemaker in the refrigerator including an automatic fill filtered water pitcher inside. Raised panel dove-colored cabinets and drawers including a floor-to-ceiling pantry. The large sea-colored island/bar is mobile with cupboards and drawers surrounded by 5 adjustable ice cream parlor bar stools and a great place for dining or social gathering with friends. A 4 feet by 3 feet hall closet features new full-size stackable washer and dryer plus a laundry cart for storing laundry products. Lots of natural light within due to the front and side windows along with the glass wall of windows across the back. Bedrooms also have large windows. The spacious bedrooms feature baths with custom walk-in showers. The second suite closes off with a pocket door allowing for another private master suite if desired. A sunny den/flex room features 4 impact glass sliders with screens that open to a beautifully landscaped island overlooking a big oak shade tree and a large grassy field, a great place to watch the sunset. Another great place to enjoy paradise or entertain friends is the long front covered patio with furnishings. A tall, wall-anchored, Suncoast storage cabinet at the end of the patio is a great place for storing outdoor items. HVAC, impact windows and blinds are 6 years used. Electric panel is original. The build back and upgrades included a ceiling tear out and replacement with recessed LED lighting in the kitchen area and great room, new registers throughout, new ductwork and vent cleaning throughout, kitchen wall, ceiling bulkhead and old ceiling were removed. All new plumbing, electric, HWT, toilets, ceiling fans, walls, vanities, bath fixtures, 8-inch wide plank ceramic flooring throughout with 6-inch baseboards, custom paint throughout, wall mirrors, new closet and entry room doors, new vanity lighting and ceiling lighting. This location is one of Fort Myers' best with the beaches only 4 miles away, walking distance to restaurants, grocery, Planet Fitness, banks, hardware store, pet store, dollar store. The Lee Health Park Hospital is only 10 minutes away. These units are in high demand for seasonal rentals. Weekly rentals also allowed. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherry Rago at 239-659-4200.